Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Our advice? Don't get caught.
These birds are shitting on me! Oh my god! Jerry! 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 Oh god, oh god.
Yeah?
I think a bird just put on.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like mayo.
Why?
What?
There's blue crap in my hair! Yes.
Wait, look.
Look at the birds! Look at it!
Bitch just shot on me.
Shit! What the hell?
The bubble phone was back a bunch of shit. What the hell? Fucking bird just shitted on me, yo.
What? What's this? Oh, bird! Where did it come from?
You bastards.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. The bird is cooked. Bird is cooked.
Fuck!
Oh, what in the...
What the fucking hell was that? Fucking serious? A bird just shit on me? Fucking hell! Where are you, bird? Hey! 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 Where are you? Hey!
Oh my god. What the hell's happened, Richard?
What, there's some seagulls come along and just gangbang me. Look at it.
What the fuck? Oh! No! Wait, it's my lucky day though.
Damn, there was like 8 birds that just shit on me, bro. Oh. I didn't even smell that bad. Damn. I was just trying to enjoy myself and can. I got shat on. Shat on by a bird.
It's your
Multiple
lucky
birds.
day. Take
It
it as
must
luck.
be.
Yeah.
It low-key smells like not bad.
where-
Like, smell it. What? Ew, dirty ass motherfucker. Ew! You eat shit, motherfucker? What the?
So big, so bad. What else you got? Oh my god. Oh my god, a bird just shat on you. Oh my god, that is so disgusting. Ew.
Why are you filming me?
A bird shat on you. Oh my god. Babe, it was just a drink. It was just my drink.
You wiped me out for a fucking drink. What the fuck?
Bird prank on boyfriend.
Fuck. Yo, Get the fuck out of here. Look at this.
Ew. What
Bird just shit on me.
Dang, that's tough.
This shit's, look.
Ew, it's on your head and everything.
For real?
Yes.
Yo,
That's
this ain't no
nasty.
ordinary fucking bird. They done got bald eagles out here shitting on me. What's so funny?
I added water and pepper to make it look real. I'm gonna go upstairs and throw it from the second floor. Taking his shirt off. This is definitely the one. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, he's meditating. Oh, he's breathing. Okay.
What the? What the fuck? What the?
What? What? What's wrong?
What's wrong?
I heard you yelling.
Yeah, a bird just shit on me. You see that?
Dude, you got it on my mat? Babe!
I got pooped on by a bird.
What are you talking about?
I was outside doing yoga, stretching, because you said, Nate, it's okay. You should go ground yourself today. You should go outside. You should put your feet in the grass. You know what? I tried to put the feet in the grass. I got pooped on by the bird. Of course! Of course!
I wonder. I keep getting shit on. Some of these damn birds are getting on my nerves.
Honey,
I feel at least 2 or 3 drops.
what is all over your shirt?
Look at it.
My
Look, I've
God.
been hit by paintballs. I'm a target.
No,
No, with nothing. I mean, get them. They're sitting all over
why
me.
are they not on your little push
Because they're
mower?
aiming for me.
You know that means good luck.
Oh, I bet it does. I'm going to be so full of good luck, I need a damn fortune cookie for nothing.
Well, I guess I'll stay here with you because I want to see this.
You want to see it? I hope you get hit.
Gosh, this has just been a bad day for you.
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh my God.
4 foot. 4 foot.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey, nothing.
Oh, Lord. I'm sorry you're having a bad day. I don't know. I don't see any.
You're a liar.
Why?
You're a liar.
What?
What was the spoon for?
I was eating some frosting.
Eating frosting.
Yes.
You were the one throwing the shit on me.
Oh,
Look.
no, I
I
swear.
moved 4 foot and it automatically just comes falling out of the
Look
sky.
at it. It came off the ground.
You were the one throwing it.
No, I didn't.
I just wasn't there doing it. There's just so many birds flying around shitting on Noah.
I'm sorry.
I bet you are. Can you tell that to my back?
Just take it off.
No.
You gonna leave a dookie diaper on?
A dookie diaper.
Just get back to my wedding.
How can you when you throwing shit on me?
I didn't do it.
I didn't do it. It wasn't me, Daddy.
I didn't do it.
You sound like a kid off a Polar Express. I didn't do it. You lying sack of shit. Ah! You done got me all screwed up on here. Hey, bitch, go for it. I hate you.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Anthony! Anthony! Come on with the kids!
What's wrong?
A bird freaking... Oh my God! Come here! Oh any more?
What the?
Do I have any more? I have to go shower.
There's some right here.
Ah! What are you doing?
Why did you spray me?